Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. You have seen in my previous video how to add the taxi data connector in Microsoft Sentinel, and now in today's video I will be showing you how to create the analytics rule in Microsoft Sentinel. So I am going to open my Microsoft Sentinel instance, and from there I am going to click on analytics under configuration group. So click on analytics blade, and from there you can go to you can review the active rules that actually created by default in Microsoft Sentinel Analytics, and these are all rules enabled. For you can see that these are the severity high, 3 severity high rules and 2 medium severity rules created already by default. So you can see that advanced multi-stage attack detection, create incidents based on Microsoft Defender for Cloud, then surrogate network beacon, malicious inbox rule custom, then sign-ins from IPs that attempt sign-ins to disable account. So these are the rules already created by default in Microsoft Sentinel. So I am going to show you how to create one analytics rule. So you need to go to the rule templates tab, and from there click on add filter, and in the select filter select data sources, and in the value field you can see that 51 values selected. So first you click on select all, and then you to uncheck all the values, then you go to security events via legacy agent. This value you have to select and click on apply, and this will be selected. Now you can see that these are the high severity rules template already are populated by default in our Microsoft Sentinel, which is coming with the product itself. So in this in the search bar type rare RDP connection. So if you select this one, rare RDP connection, then what you have to do is you have to create rule with this rare RDP connection. So what this rule will do is it will actually identifies when an RDP connection is new or rare related to any logon type by a given account today based on comparison with the previous 14 days. Okay, so this is the description of this rule template. Now you go ahead and click on create rule, and everything you keep it as by default, and click on next set rule logic, and in then you have to then click on next incident settings, next automated response, and in the automated response screen click on next review. So it's validating. Now let's go ahead and click on create button. So you can see that analytics rules saved. So analytics rule rare RDP connections saved successfully. You will be able to see here. So this is how you have to create the rule and analytics rule analytics rule in the Microsoft Sentinel instance. So I hope that this video will be useful in your Microsoft Sentinel career, and if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thanks.